Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Smart English Talk, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here. How are you feeling today, Emma?
I'm feeling amazing, James. Really happy and excited about what the future holds.
The future. That's quite a big topic.
Definitely. It's perfect for today's discussion.
Exactly. Today, we'll explore how to talk about the future. Your plans, dreams, and goals, all in English.
I love that idea. Discussing the future is so important. But first, a quick shout out to our listeners.
Absolutely. If you enjoy our podcast, please subscribe to Smart English Talk, like this episode, and share it with your friends.
Yes, it really helps us. So, James, where should we start when talking about the future?
Let's begin with something simple. James, what are you going to do after recording this episode?
That's a simple plan. You said I'll drink a glass of water. That's perfect for expressing the future.
Right. We use will, W-I-L-L, to talk about the future.
Exactly. Will is super easy. We use it for decisions we make right now or simple facts about the future. Like your glass of water. You just decided it.
Exactly. It's a quick choice, not a long-term plan. Can I give another example?
Please do.
I feel a bit hungry. I think I'll eat a sandwich for lunch.
Perfect. You feel hungry now, so you decide, I'll eat a sandwich. Simple and easy.
And the best part? It works for everyone. I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, we will, they will. So simple.
I love that consistency. For example, my friend Sarah will call me tonight, or they will watch a movie later.
And what about questions? How do we ask with will?
Good question, James. Just switch the word order. Instead of you will come to the party, ask will you come to the party?
That's easy. So I can ask, Emma, will it be sunny tomorrow?
Hopefully, you can answer yes, it will, or no, it won't.
Won't? What's that?
Won't is short for will not. It's the negative form. So it won't be sunny.
I see. So I'll eat a sandwich, but I won't eat a huge pizza.
Exactly. That's will. Great for quick choices or predictions. But what about real plans, James? Things you think about in advance.
For real plans, we use a different structure. A special phrase, Emma, any plans for the weekend?
Yes. On Saturday, I'm going to visit my parents.
There it is. I am going to visit. That's how we talk about planned actions, going to.
Right. When you have a plan made beforehand, use going to. Visiting my parents is my planned weekend activity.
So it's not a quick decision like my water, it's an actual plan. I have a weekend plan too.
Oh, what's yours?
I'm going to clean my apartment. A lot of work.
Oh, yes, a necessary plan sometimes. So you say, I'm going to clean. Notice it uses the verb to be.
Important point. You need am, is, or are.
Exactly. So I say, I'm going to visit my parents.
Same for me. I'm going to visit my parents.
Yes, Mark is going to play, and friends Maria and David, they're going to throw a party.
Perfect. Remember, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are, then going to plus verb.
It's longer than will, but perfect to show you've planned something.
I like it. Organized. Planning is always good. I'm going to start a new book next week. That's my plan.
Wonderful. What book?
An English book to practice more.
Of course. And for me, next month, I'm going to the beach for a few days.
Wow, Emma, that's amazing. A real vacation.
Yes, it's a plan I made long ago. Tickets and hotel booked. Solid plan.
Great example. Will is for maybe or quick ideas, but going to is for definite plans.
Exactly. Talking about plans makes me think of dreams.
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Dreams!
I love big dreams. They motivate us.
Me too. Dreams bring happiness and purpose.
A dream is like a beautiful big plan for your life.
And we can use will and going to for dreams. Example, one day I will be a doctor.
Beautiful. I will be a doctor. Strong belief about the future.
Or you can have a plan. Next year, I'm going to study biology at university.
Ah, the dream is big. I will be a doctor. The plan is the first step. I'm going to study biology at university.
Right. Small plans are important to achieve dreams. Dreams without plans are just wishes.
So true. You need small steps to reach a big dream.
Small steps work best. For example, dream, I will speak English fluently. First plan?
Tomorrow, I'm going to watch one episode of Mr. English Channel.
Love it. This week, I'm going to learn 10 new English words.
Small plans are easy and not intimidating. Every completed step brings you closer to your dream.
That's the secret. Don't just dream, make a small plan. Do you have a big dream, James?
Oh yes, one day I will travel around the world.
Wow, that's huge and wonderful.
And I have a plan. Next year, I'm going to save more money.
Practical first step. Very good.
Thanks. What about you, Emma? Big dream?
I'm going to write a children's book.
Beautiful dream. I'm sure you'll do it.
Thank you. This month, I'm going to write one page every day.
Perfect small step. 1 page a day, 30 pages in a month.
Consistency is key. Dreams can feel far away, but small steps help.
True. Sometimes it seems hard or tiring.
Yes, focus on the small plan for today, not the entire dream.
Excellent advice. If my dream is world travel, I focus on today. I won't buy that expensive coffee. I'll save the money.
Exactly. Small actions matter. Listeners, your dreams are valid, never too big.
And it's never too late to dream or make a plan. The future isn't written yet. You'll create it.
I love that, James. Now, let's go over useful time words for the future.
Yes, like tomorrow. I'll call you tomorrow, or I'm going to the supermarket tomorrow.
Tonight is good too. We're going to watch a movie tonight.
How about the week?
Next week. For example, I'm going to start my new job next week.
Congratulations on the new job.
Just an example. We also have next month and next year.
She's going to have a baby next month. Big plan.
Huge plan. We're going to buy a car next year.
These words are like road signs, showing when plans will happen.
Yes. Or be more specific, in 2 days, in 3 weeks, in 5 years.
My brother is visiting in 2 days. So exciting.
My example, in 10 years, I will live in a house by the beach. Dream for the future.
Using will for a distant dream is hopeful and inspiring.
Planning makes the future feel positive and under control.
Quick recap. Will is for what, Emma?
Quick decisions, simple facts, or predictions. I think it will rain tomorrow.
Perfect. And going to?
Planned actions. I'm going to study English tonight.
Exactly. Big dreams are great, but small, clear steps are essential to reach them.
Don't fear dreaming and don't fear planning. Your future is yours.
Really inspiring talk, Emma. I'm going to save money for my trip.
Me too. I'm going to write my one page today.
And we hope our listeners feel motivated too.
Yes! That's the end of another episode of Mr. English Channel. It was fun talking about the future.
Before we go, a small request. Subscribe to our channel, like this episode, and share it with friends learning English.
And now, practice time. Comment below. Tell us one thing you're going to do tomorrow and one big dream you have. Use will or going to.
We'd love to read about your plans and dreams. Sharing is wonderful.
Thanks so much for listening.
Keep practicing, dreaming, and smiling.
That's right. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye, everyone. Take care.